So, a quick video for this faucet I put in today. It lights up, and it's kind of a cool commercial faucet. The customer got this off of Amazon, but I thought I'd make a quick video of it because it's kind of different and interesting. It was very easy to put in, but if you wait long enough, it starts out blue, tells you the water's cold, and then as it gets warm it turns green, and when it gets hot it gets red. And if you wait long enough and the water gets hot enough, it's going to blink to tell us it's too hot. So we'll just sit here for a second. There you go. Blinking. Too hot. Alright, so here's the faucet. You can turn it on and off here, and it swivels, or you can turn it on and off with this sprayer. And it's kind of cool. It's like a commercial kitchen faucet. You can lock it on right here. And the temperature control and on off are also standard, over on the handle over there. But, you can take this apart and use it all you want. Leave it on, leave the temperature set where you want it. Or you can turn it on and off with that original handle. But it's kind of cool too, because if you do this, you can run both.